DJI Mini 3 Pro, 4K 60 frames per second test. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has been an awesome drone to own and fly. Today I took it out to test 4K 60 frames per second video. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, it's a picture perfect day here today, and we're going to go ahead and test the DJI Mini 3 with 4K 60. So let's take a look and see how that works. Okay. Get up to about 100 feet here. And we're right around 100 feet. I'm going to go ahead and in that direction. Started the video. I'm going to take it down to the intersection first. And we're going to record some traffic over there, see how that goes. At the intersection, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the drone a little bit this way. I'm going to tilt the gimbal down a little bit here. Shoot a little bit of this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it around. We're going to go to the entrance here now, and we're going to see how that looks. Okay, we're almost where I want to be. Just about there. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn the drone. Let's back it up a little bit. Feet. Let's back it up some. I think that's about where I want to be. Just getting in a little bit closer here. And we're going to take it down just a little bit. Around 77. Let's go in a little bit. Adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Again, we're shooting 4K 60 on this. I wanted to try this out on the Mini 3 and see how it looks. Get in just a little bit closer here. I'll back it down just a tad. Okay, we're gonna head on back home here. Take a look, see how we do with landing here. Alright, well that finished the test for 4K 60. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mini 3 Pro 4K 60 frames per second video? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.